Are you curious about the recent surge in Bitcoin ETF inflows and what it could mean for the crypto market and you and your investments? As the world of finance and technology intertwine, Bitcoin ETFs will become an increasingly popular investment. This rising interest is leading to an estimated inflow that is significant enough to stir the broader crypto market and could have a positive impact for you as well, if you know how to position yourself. The question now is, what impact will this flood of investment have on the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these intriguing developments. At CMG Crypto, we believe Bitcoin will at least grow to $90,000 over the 2024 to 2025 bull run. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood said on CNBC Thursday that Bitcoin BTC, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market value, could reach $1,500,000 in price by 2030 in a bullish scenario, raising her estimate by 50% from a previous prediction of $1 million. Ms. Wood said, "We think the probability of the bull case has increased with this SEC approval. This is a green light," said Wood on CNBC. On Wednesday, spot Bitcoin ETFs were finally approved in the US after a decade of trying. The Securities and Exchange Commission gave the green light Wednesday to key filings from the markets seeking to list the groundbreaking products. To understand the significance of these inflows, we first need to unpack what Bitcoin ETFs are. Bitcoin ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment vehicles that track the price of Bitcoin and trade on traditional market exchanges. They allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the complexities of buying, storing, and securing the digital asset directly. Essentially, they offer a bridge between the novel world of cryptocurrencies and the familiar territory of traditional investing. There are different types of Bitcoin ETFs available in the market. Some ETFs directly hold Bitcoin, and their value is thus tied to the actual price of Bitcoin. These are known as physically backed Bitcoin ETFs. Others, called futures-backed Bitcoin ETFs, do not hold Bitcoin directly. Instead, they track Bitcoin futures contracts, which are agreements to buy or sell Bitcoin at a specific price on a future date. Why are Bitcoin ETFs important for mainstream investors? Well, they offer a safe and regulated way to invest in Bitcoin. They're also accessible through traditional brokerage accounts, which makes them an attractive option for investors who want to dip their toes into the crypto waters without diving headfirst into the deep end. Now that we have a grasp on Bitcoin ETFs, let's explore the recent inflow trends. The inflow into Bitcoin ETFs has been staggering, but what does this mean for the market? Let's dive into the depths of this intriguing development in the crypto world. Recently, the Bitcoin ETF market has witnessed a phenomenal inflow. We're talking about numbers that could make your head spin, reflecting the growing interest of institutional investors in this digital asset. Despite all the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, spread through mainstream media primarily through the efforts of Elizabeth Warren and other politicians whose re-election campaigns are supported by big banks, Bitcoin's price tripled last year in 2023. Wake up! Did you hear what I just said? Despite all the FUD spread by politicians and mainstream media, Bitcoin's price tripled in 2023. It is currently trading in the $45,000 range, and as we have already shared, some experts are projecting the price to hit $1.5 million per coin by 2030. Yes, that is only 6 years away. It has been the #1 asset class by far over the past 10 years. Do your own research. Bitcoin is here, and it is here to stay. So you can participate or let this unique time in history pass you by. This influx is not just a random occurrence, but a result of various factors coming into play. One of the main drivers behind this massive inflow is the increasing acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. With regulatory bodies across the globe slowly warming up to the idea, the stigma surrounding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is gradually fading away. The introduction of Bitcoin ETFs has played a significant role in this shift. It has provided a more accessible and regulated avenue for traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without the complexities of owning and storing the cryptocurrency directly. This has opened up the Bitcoin market to a wider pool of investors, including those who were previously hesitant due to the perceived risks associated with digital assets that Elizabeth Warren, has been spreading in mainstream media every time a microphone is in front of her. Now let's look at what this could mean for the market. The inflow into Bitcoin ETFs is essentially a reflection of the increasing liquidity in the Bitcoin market. More liquidity generally means more stability, which could potentially reduce the volatility that has been synonymous with Bitcoin. However, it's important to remember that while this increased inflow is a positive sign, it's not a guarantee of a smooth ride. The crypto market is still a relatively new and evolving space with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. The surge in Bitcoin ETF inflow is indeed a significant development, but what could this mean for the future of crypto? That's a question we'll continue to explore as we delve deeper into the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned. The rise in Bitcoin ETF inflow paints an optimistic picture for the future of crypto, but are there any potential pitfalls? As we journey into the future, the increasing inflow into Bitcoin ETFs could potentially usher in a new era for the crypto market. It's plausible that this could lead to a wider adoption of cryptocurrencies, as these ETFs provide a safer, regulated avenue for investors to dip their toes into the crypto world. This can be a game changer, as it could potentially bring in billions of dollars into the crypto market, leading to increased liquidity and stability. However, with every opportunity comes a risk. The dependency on Bitcoin ETFs might lead to a concentration of power among a few large institutions. This could potentially lead to market manipulation, deviating from the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrencies. Moreover, the reliance on traditional financial structures may expose crypto to traditional market risks, such as interest rate fluctuations and economic downturns. There's also the risk of regulatory backlash. While we've seen positive regulatory progress in some jurisdictions, the global regulatory landscape for crypto remains uncertain. A sudden regulatory clampdown could negatively impact Bitcoin ETFs and, by extension, the broader crypto market. Despite these potential pitfalls, the advent of Bitcoin ETFs shows promise. As we've seen, it could help bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world, bringing crypto into the mainstream. The Bitcoin ETF inflow story is one that is still unfolding, and it's certainly one to keep an eye on. In conclusion, the Bitcoin ETF inflow is a key trend to watch in the crypto market. We've delved into the mechanics of Bitcoin ETFs, analyzed their recent inflow, and pondered on how they could shape the future of crypto. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to navigate the crypto landscape. Stay informed, stay invested, and as always, keep your eyes on the crypto market. At CMG Crypto, we feel that there is little doubt that over time, Bitcoin ETFs will bring billions of dollars of new money into the crypto space. Not to mention, we feel an Ethereum ETF will be approved sometime in 2024. This will bring old money, traditional investors into the market that have always depended on financial advisors to make their investments for them. However, if you have average intelligence and are willing to spend a little time becoming self-educated, we see no reason why you shouldn't just invest in crypto yourself without depending on a financial advisor or ETF. It is a very simple process with Coinbase, a US crypto exchange. At cmgcrypto.com, we have a video tutorial that will walk you through the process and show you exactly how to get your Coinbase account set up in 30 minutes or less. This will allow you to invest in Bitcoin and control your own investments. While you are at cmgcrypto.com, we hope you will register for our email and newsletter updates to stay in the loop on vetted crypto investments and important news in the crypto market. The updates are free. We have placed the link to the video tutorial in the description of this video for you. Many experts believe that in 2024-2025 we will experience the largest bull run in cryptocurrency history. Is there any reason you shouldn't be part of that? If you benefited from this video, we hope you will consider subscribing to this channel. We hope you will take action on the information we have shared with you, and don't procrastinate. Do it now.